Yun, so hello guys. So another unboxing video tayo by yours truly and by Jotel's Toy Collectible. So ang unbox natin for today's video is FNEX Gojo Satoru by For You. So medyo malaki-laki to. Ayan, laki ng box ng FNEX. Pang mga FNEX talaga lalaki ng box. So yan. Hindi ko na kayo papatagalin pa. Papakita ko na kung paano i-unbox ng Gojo Satoru FNEX. So let's go.
Master on the beat, let's get it.
So hello guys, so tapos ko na i-unbox si Gojo Satoru FNEX. So yan, grabe, ang laki. Ang ganda rin ng effects, so grabe. Solid, simple lang siya. With 3 parts, itong effects, extra head, tsaka yung itong buong katawan ni Gojo. So yan, hindi ko na patagalin pa. Papakita ko rin yung alt head niya, kung nakalagay, and yan, yung details niya. So let's go, let's go.
Master on the beat, let's get it.